Tuesday's precise and important news. More than 200 Afghan prisoners released. 294 more Afghan nationals, including women and children, released from the detention in Pakistani jails by the efforts of the Afghan embassy in Islamabad and will be transported back to Afghanistan by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Afghanistan. A joint trade market opened on the Afghan-Uzbek border. A joint market has been created with the aim of developing economic and commercial cooperation between the businessmen of two countries, of Uzbekistan and Afghanistan. The Administrative Deputy PM met with the scholars delegation. The Administrative Deputy Prime Minister Maulawi Abdul Salam Hanafi met with a group of eminent scholars from Egypt, Sudan, Libya and Palestine. The country's economy has made significant strides. The Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan has taken concrete steps for the economic stability of the country, as a result of which the export level has reached $1,424 million in the first 9 months of 1401, while the level of exports in the first 9 months of the years of 1399 and 1400 of the previous regime was $434 and $478 million respectively. Non-food aid distributed to 291 families. UNICEF distributed non-food stuff to 291 newly repatriated families in the Raboum district of Badghis under the supervision of the Department of Rural Rehabilitation and Development. A group of armed robbers arrested. The employees of the intelligence department of Nangarhar province arrested a 7-member group of armed robbers who were trying to rob a house using the name of Mujahideen in the Sudu district of Nangarhar. A gang of robbers arrested with huge amounts of money in Kunduz. Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan's forces in Kunduz arrested a group of 9 armed robbers in this province. The group robbed 7.1 million Afghanis and 50,000 USD of a money changer while arrested by forces of the Islamic Emirate in Kunduz. 2 weapons were also discovered from the detainees.